Hi, this is Navya. So, under this pharmacology subject, under this syllabus, from chapter 1 to chapter 6, we have already discussed and also have been uploaded in the playlist. If you're not watched, I'll also drop a link in the description box so you can watch in the later section. And now, in this video, I'll be taking a class for the chapter 7, that is a local anesthetics. So, let's start the class. So, the chapter 7, that is the local anesthetics. So under this chapter, we'll be discussing the definitions of the anesthetics and also the classification of the anesthetics. And then we also discuss the three important drugs, the details like the side effects and the usage of the drugs such as lignocaine, bupivacaine, and iteratic mixture and techniques of the LA. LA stands for the local anesthetics. So now let us come from the beginning, from the starting. That is the first question, that is the definition of the local anesthetics. So definition of the local anesthetic. So what does it tells here? So the definition of this local anesthetics is, so when do the doctors prescribe to give this local anesthesia? So anesthesia is nothing but the loss of the sensation. It is only the temporary loss of the local of the sensation or the pain in one part of the body that may produced, and this can be gain. I mean, this can be done through in the injection kind, that is by injected the agent without depressing the level of the consciousness. So this anesthesia is used for almost all type of the surgeries. It has been used. This is used only to reduce the pain, so that's why it has been used as a temporary loss of the sensation for the painful, to reduce the pain when the operation is going on. So there are many types of surgery. We all know this. For almost all type of surgery, this anesthesia has been used. It is like the painlessly performed while you are awake. While the patient is awake, this operation may be performed. That in the sense there is a temporary loss of the sensation. For this reason, if the patient is awake also, the operation can be performed because of this local anesthesia. So this local anesthesia, this is also called as the local anesthetics, and this is the one-time injection. So that numbers in small area of the body, and this is used for the procedures such as the performing of the skin biopsy, the breast biopsy, then the repairing of the broken bone, or stitching of a deep cut of the body. So for these purpose, and also for all the surgeries, heart surgeries, all the surgeries, it has been used to reduce the, just reduce the pain from the body. So painless. It makes a painless thing by just temporary making loss of the sensation. Now let us know different types of the anesthesia. Types of the anesthesia. Local anesthetics. So here it is characterized into two different types, two different classes. So the classes are, the first one is the para-aminobenzoic acid. This is based on the anesthetics that is known as the ester. Remember this. This is known as the esters. And other is the non para-aminobenzoic acid, that is also based on the anesthetics. This is the second type, and this is termed as the amide local anesthetics. So the first one is para-aminobenzoic acid. This is also called as the ester, and this is based on the anesthetics. And the second is the non-para based anesthetics. This is also called as the amide local anesthetics. So let us know what all this Easter's local anesthetic includes. And these are some of the group. It included benzocaine, chloroprocaine, cocaine. These are the category. And let us know some more category here. Yeah, these are the category of the esters. That is a procaine, propocane, tetracaine. These are some categories. And also we have the amide local anesthetic include. So this is nothing but a non-para benzoic acid. These include. That is the articaine, bupivacaine, dibucaine, etidocaine, and lidocaine, mepivacaine, prilocaine. These are the categories that have been included in the amino local anesthetics includes. So now let us know the side effects of these local anesthetics. So normally I told that if the person is suffering uh, any kind full of the pain, like a deep cut wound in the body, this local anesthesia definitely have been given to reduce the pain. If the patient is awake also, to just reduce the pain and to make a surgery or any kind of operations things, operations type. So now what all the will be the side effects? That I think here the side effects are not that much when we compared with other type of drug apart from this local anesthesia. Means there is a less side effect. So what we can tell, it is a minimum side effect I can tell. So minimum side effect means what? Minimum. It is nothing but the burning skin or the temporary stinging and due to the injection maybe. Yes. And also this if there is a side effect means only if the dosages are high. If a doctor or give to the patient of a high dosage of this anesthesia, then it may be very serious or very adverse effect issue. So this effect is the high doses. When the uh, patient get high dosage of this anesthesia, then it may be highly affected to that person. And another thing is the risk. Another risk from this local anesthetics is that the it is dependent on the patient factor. It depends on the age and end organ functions and the area being anesthetized. The area, the part of the body which the patient is going and is undergoing in the operation, so that part of the body, the particular part of the body, that also may cause a side effect, the particular part of the body. And most cases, this local anesthetics, this occurs after inadvertent intravenous injection only. And the symptoms of this local anesthesia will be the toxicity. These will be grouped into the central nervous system. It may also affect the brain and the spinal cord of the body. And what are the results? From CNS, the symptoms are also result of the excitation that may include tinnitus, perioral numbness, metallic taste, muscle twitching. So these are the side effects. And now let us know what we have told in the beginning. That is the three drugs. That is the lignocaine. We have to learn the three drugs. What are the useful of these drugs and what are the side effects of these drugs? So let us know about this lignocaine. So this is a drug that is used for the ventricular tachycardia, and this is used to perform the nerve blocks. And let us know what are the side effects of this drug. Side effect of this drug may be it cause impaired ability of the iron that may be in the red blood cells, that it may feel difficult for to carry the oxygen to the tissues, all the tissues. So there's a side effect. This is nothing but the condition that is known as the methemoglobinemia. And this linocaine, this effect and it will be difficult to carry the oxygen to the tissues. And now let us no other drug, that is the bupivacaine. So this drug look like this. Yeah. So this is an anesthetics. So what it will do means it will block the nerve impulse in your body, in the patient's body. What does it do? It just block the nerve impulse, and this is used as a local anesthetics, as this is one of the common. This will be used as a local anesthetic, and this bupivacaine, this is also given as the epidural injection. This is also given as the epidural injection. Epidural injection. So this may be given to the spinal column. Spinal column. So to produce the numbness during the labor pain, the surgery, or other medication procedures. So that may be during the labor pain and the surgery. Yeah. So during that time, this medicine has been given, bupivacaine. So remember this drug. And also it is also anesthetic for the dental procedures. Also it has been used for the anesthetics. And the side effect of this, some common side effect is that the red rashes, itching, and sneezing continuously, and very difficult in the breathing, and severe dizziness, the vomiting sensation, and swelling of the face, lips, even the tongue and the throat. These are the side effects. Bupivacaine. And the very serious issue that may cause from this bupivacaine, that is the so feeling anxious, tired, and restless, and confused, without having calm, without having peace in the mind, and problem with the speech or the vision. Also the vision problem also it may happen, and the very difficult, like where it will be very problem for the speech also, and ringing in the ears, a metallic taste, this may also differ, and convulsions, and also the patient become too weak and shallow, too weak and shallow, and the fast heart rate, the heartbeat, it may be too fast or it may be too weak, I mean too low, slow heart rate or the fast heart rate. And one of the common side effects, these all side effects that maybe come to only particular group of the people, maybe the person who is facing heart problem, so only for them it may come. But this common in the sense, the healthy person also may get there's a chances to get the side effects for him. That is the common thing is a nausea, vomiting, chills, and shivering. The headache is the most common, and the back pain, these are the most common side effects which can be caused to the patients, the normal patients also, who are not infected or not affected to the heart problem or some any other disease. And let us know the another one, eutectic mixture. Eutectic mixture. So this is defined as the mixture. So what mixture then? The mixture is two or more components. So that or usually do not interact to form the new chemical compound. They do not interact, but still at certain ratio, what happen? It inhabits the crystallization process of one another. So that will be resulting in a system that is having a lower melting point than either of the components. Mixing in the sense the two or more components which do not interact to form a chemical compound, but still in a certain ratio, what it do through the crystallization procedure of one another, that may resulting in the system. So that is having a very lower melting point. Now let us know the seventh question, that is explain the technique of LA. LA is nothing but the local anesthetics. So let's know about the techniques. So there are used in various technique of this local anesthetic. So such as a topical anesthesia, that is a surface, and the topical administration of the cream, and maybe the gel, ointment, liquid, or the spray kind of anesthetic. So what are the things have been used as anesthetics? Some may be used prescribed to use a cream to make a patient unconscious, or the loss of sensation to that particular part of the body, and maybe by applying the gel or the ointment or the any liquid or the spray dissolved in the DMSO. And these are the things which has been used as a technique for the local anesthetics. And infiltration also have been used. And other common thing is the brachial plex blocks and the epidural block, spinal anesthesia. So these are the methods, these are the techniques that's being used to make a patient to get temporary loss of the sensation.